Hey and howdy everyone, it's Jeannie with Paper Pixie Ink. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick walkthrough of this 6x6, well 6¼ by 6¼ folio that I made using the Moonflower Magic paper pad that I used in my previous videos to make that 4x6 album. So the cover I kept pretty simple. This was just one of the 6x6 cut-aparts that was available in the collection, so I used this as my base. It just says "Be a Magic Seeker," and then these here are some die cuts from scrapbook.com. I will try and remember to link the die set that I used, and I just used white glitter cardstock and colored it with a alcohol marker that kind of matched some of the colors on here to just give it a little bit of extra contrast. This was just a stitched circle die cut that I used. Again, I'll try and link that. These here are flowers from Wild Orchid Crafts. I found that they just kind of went well with the color scheme. And then I also used some gems from Pink Fresh to add a little bit of extra to the cover. So the spines, because this is folio, it has spine on both sides, but I kept it very simple, so there's nothing on there. And then the back is also very simple, so I just used the same pattern paper that I used on the two spines. So there's nothing that holds this closed, but it stays closed fairly well on its own. So when you open this up, you just have this kind of plain paper here, but it does leave lots of room where you can put, you know, a photo mat or whatever on your own. You can also use some of this space for journaling if you wanted to, like a white gel pen would work really well on this. And then this I left plain just because I thought this was really pretty. And it just kind of spoke to me, so I left it alone. But you could, again, you could put a photo on here if you wanted to. So when you open it up, there are pages on each side, and I kept them very, very plain. There's quite a bit of space in this album, and these photo mats, so these photo mats measure 3 3/4 by 5 1/4, so you can mat 3.5 by 5 photos on here. These again were just sayings that I took and created on Canva and cut out myself, and then I left these open, most of them, as little pockets, and I just tucked little tags inside each one. So when you flip this over, we have another one, and again this is open. And then we have another tag. And on this side, this is open this way. And then we have another photo mat here. So on the back here, it just says "Shine Bright." And we have another tuck spot here with another little tag. This here is just a photo mat page, I guess. So there's already quite a few spaces for photos. I left this plain just because I really like this kind of flower brushstroke kind of looking page. But you could mat a photo on here just as well. And this says "Dream," and then again we have another photo mat, and "Family," and another photo mat. And then this is another photo mat. This just says "Memories." These are all open, so you can still tuck your photos on there. And then another tag. This one says "Dream." We have a tag here as well. And then "Sparkle," again open. And another tag. "Shine Bright." And another tag. So some of the tags are just made out of the black cardstock that I used for the base. And then some are made out of actual cardstock from or it's made from pattern paper from the collection. So when you open this one, it says "Cherish," and then again another one, We have more photo mats here. I left this plain just because I really kind of like the stars and the moon here. Again, this was left plain. It's more flowers like this one was. They're just kind of smaller, but I really like this paper. So here we have another photo mat and another tag. This is family. And this just kind of matches this. So again, you could definitely put photo mats on here as well. And then this is just a pocket. This is kind of open, so you could tuck something in here as well. And then inside the pocket, we just have a couple of tags from the collection, and then a couple of photo mats, and then a couple of smaller tags. So that's the album. It's pretty simplistic, but there's actually quite a bit of real estate, I guess, for photos and journaling. And then I'll be putting this one up on my Etsy shop as well. If you purchase this, I will be including some extra black cardstock and white cardstock, so you can do photo mats for pages if you so desire. And I'm also including some more of the little, sayings that I printed and cut out. So those will be included, as well as some extra ribbon that you can use to make your own tags or whatever, to add your own touches to the album if you so desire. So I hope you enjoyed this one. And as always, if you're interested in seeing more, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Thanks, everyone.